eggplant parmigiana stacks.
Everybody loves eggplant alla parmigiana, but this is the way they really do it in Italy. Just with a little marinara, some grated cheese, and no mozzarella, just like that. And it's light and delicious. So let's start with a little bit of oil in the pan and the eggplant. I like these long eggplant. So the long one like this have less seeds. Just cut them like that. I like some of the skin, not all of it because it becomes tough, but I kind of clean it up like this, like a zebra stripes, and that's nice. Okay, let's cut in slices, just like that one. Okay, just slightly flour it. Okay, let's see, I think. And you don't need to really cook it thoroughly because we'll bake it in the oven just before serving it, so it doesn't need to be completely cooked. And voila, you got yourself some eggplant parmigiana going. You know, Grandma and I, we have a garden at our house. It's not a big garden, but we have enough vegetables for the whole summer, for the whole family. Now, do you know what I order? I order a whole box of ladybugs. Now, ladybugs are very good. They're the best to protect and to eat all the little nymphs or whatever comes and eats your tomatoes. So I buy this box of ladybugs, and I'm surprised, you know, when they come shipped, they're alive, they're all over. So I just have great fun. I go in the garden, and I kind of open them up and let them fly. But I put them close to the tomatoes, to the eggplants. I don't want them to fly to the neighbor. I want them in my garden. Okay, so here we are. Put just a little bit more oil. Okay, finish frying the eggplants, just like that. Just a little bit of salt. A nice baking dish. We have the sauce ready. So at the bottom, a little bit of sauce, and then you begin to line up just a little bit of sauce and cheese, eggplant, sauce, cheese, and you keep on piling them up, just like. And they have enough sauce in between. The eggplant will kind of take it in a little bit, but let's put some cheese. Okay. You preheat your oven at 375 degrees. Cover it with foil paper, and you put it in a preheated oven for about 15-20 minutes. You uncover it, and you put it back in, and you let the cheese on top melt and get crispy for another 15-20 minutes, and it's ready to serve. I love making main courses out of vegetables. And, you know, one would say, okay, vegetables a side order. No, I mean, there's some vegetables that you can really make great main courses. For example, eggplant. You just take this fried eggplants and you can stack it up, make a little sauce in between, or even slices of tomatoes, some cheese, some basil, and you let it bake in the oven, and you got yourself a main course, and a good main course at that. Non bisogna fare le cose a metà. You shouldn't do things halfway. You should do it all the way, just like my eggplant here. Give it all the love you've got. So we're ready to eat here. Just a little bit of sauce in the middle of the plate, okay? And then I think this is a good one. I'm going to fish it out just like that. Wow. Does that look good? Ah, voila. Then I would put just like this if I were to serve somebody. Does that look beautiful? It certainly does. Let me just get in there. And I want to show you. You see the little strips of the skin? It's there, it kind of cooks, it melts, but it makes it look nice. And it gives you more substance. So, enough of stories, I'm gonna eat it. Sweet and delicious, just enough crunch of cheese, acidity, oh, it's all of those. And its simplicity is fantastico. And I'm gonna dive back in, but I want to invite you. Tutti a tavola a mangiare. Vieni.